Well, hi, and thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm going to be playing a short video that commemorates my father's role in the Second World War. Tomorrow is June 6th, the 75th anniversary of D-Day, and my father landed on D-Day. In fact, my father landed with the Canadian Army in the first boats, in the very first wave. So he was among the very first soldiers to set foot on Normandy beaches, on the Canadian beach called Juno Beach. So this is a little bit about about that day, a commemoration. This was put together by someone other than me to commemorate my father's actions on that day. My father passed away 6 or 7 years ago. He had a good life after the Second World War. He became a high school teacher, and that was his career. That and spending as much time on the golf course as possible. So without saying much more, here's the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you, Dad.